What up? What up? Yo, what up, Andy? Oh, I see where this is going. Bum, 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 bum. Not really. I left orders in. That's how I blew these 3 accounts. I didn't even know I blew them. There was just orders that were left in. I wasn't even in front of the computer. What up, Vivo? But yeah, I left orders in and didn't even realize it. It happens. Oh man. Dude. Yo, you know what's cool about my funded futures is when you pass and get a funded account, you get it instantly. So I already did my $100 day one in the books. Yo, I ended up passing another Apex account. So I passed 2 Apex accounts, 2 Bullnox accounts, a My Funded Futures account, and a Top Step account. I passed 6 accounts today. It's a lot. Yo, what up, Pine Tree? What up, Sean? Yeah, you know what I just realized? I don't have my coffee. How much did you pay for the Apex accounts? They're $33 or $35 for the accounts. You got if you use the coupon code Cove Trader, give you 80% off. It'll be 33 or 35%. $35. Hold on, let me get my coffee. I'm coming back. All right, got my coffee. Yo, what up, Fred? Yeah, so they have an activation fee. But if you use like Take Profit Trader, it's $102 and there's no activation fee. And you can trade however you want. and you're going to get paid. I would say Take Profit Trader is better, to be honest with you. They're doing 40% off, 40% off, no activation fee with the coupon code. Super, super simple. I think their rules are better. Ever since Apex kind of changed it, there you go. Ever since Apex changed their rules, I feel like Take Profit Trader is just better. That's my personal opinion. I'm going to load up on a couple of accounts. I got to like, over this weekend, I got to go through my accounts and I just got to like cancel subscriptions and shit like that. So I don't get rebilled. I got to like really see what the hell is going on because I'm just getting rebilled. Yeah, I mean, listen, I'm not an Apex hater. I'm just saying that it used to be 52,600, you could pull $2,000 out. Now at 52,600, you cannot. You can only pull, I think, $500 out. So now that they switched that, I just think Take Profit Trader's a better bet. That's all. It's not like I hate them. I'm just saying the rules, where the rules sit, Take Profit Trader is probably the best. You know, they also don't Take Profit Trader just doesn't have any rules. And you can pull out daily. Like there's more perks. Just because I update all you guys, I definitely made some moves today. If anyone's on the stream that follows, real quick, I added a TDW call. I sold ELF puts, sold more NU puts, bought UPST calls, sold hood puts, DOC puts, and bought calls. BABA sold long-term call puts and bought calls. I sold one ASML put, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the chat, and I'll help you out. What rules make TPT better than Bullnox? I think Bullnox is very much like Apex used to be. The only issue with Bullnox is the activation code. Activation is 148. Other than that, Bullnox is great. They don't have trade evade, so it's only rhythmic accounts. But I'm not hating on Bullnox at all. I think Bullnox is decent. That activation is just a lot of money, but other than that, and they don't do trade evade. Yo, what up, Joshua? What up? What up? But yeah, I left. If anyone didn't hear, I left orders in on these three, copy traded. I wasn't even around when I blew them. Just blew them. Wasn't even here. Man, they dropped this thing. I think they're going to bring it all the way back up. I'm not super like in love with this trade. Yo, what up, Ray? I was just going over my options, what moves I made and whatnot. I just throwing it out there. Don't want anybody to be like, oh, I didn't know you did that. So I went over all of them, and you know. Boom, 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 boom. Man, what is 48? Damn, Phoenix. That's a nice day. That's a real nice day. I take that. What up, Keith? What up? What up? Dude, I don't YouTube Studios. I still didn't set this up. Boom, 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 boom. I'd like to see consolidation right here and then leg up. Give a nice push out of this. I don't know if we're going to get that, but no, we're not going to get that. I want to see it come all the way back and over. Over 34. No, I'm going to get fucked. This is going to push hard. Just push it. That's where I originally thought we were going. So just fucking push it. I don't even know why I fucking sold it. I don't even know. Don't ask. I got bad case of the Fridays. Um, yeah, Fridays is just rough, man. Fridays are like my worst trading day. I am just exhausted from the week. I'm exhausted from everything, and I'm just do stupid shit because I'm just tired. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm just tired. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm just tired. Jeez. I had to bring up the chat. Let me see. See, this is, I get yo-yoed, like, everything that could go wrong on fucking Friday would go wrong. prop firm payouts or options payouts? I also am up $115 in my real. I'm up $115 in my real trading account in futures in AMP. My AMP money. You know it's fucked. I want to see a big push to the 50s. Push it. Push it real good. I'm trying to move this to the other screen. We call it Yo-Yo Fridays. Dude, Fridays are just rough, man. Like, just in general. Damn, pay the trader. You're up 1,000 and gave it all back? That's rough. That's rough. I guess I took 0 payouts this week. I submitted 0 payouts this week. You need to know you model Ray trades. But yeah. I definitely. Why did you pick AMP over Ninja? I saw somebody else was using it and they liked it. I don't know if I'm going to stay with them. I'm going to check out Ninja this weekend. I'm going to check out Ninja this weekend. Risk management is game changer in this industry. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Improper risk management trading in progress over here. Dude, I didn't blow it. Yeah. I'm just scrolling up, seeing if I missed anything. But yeah, I just scout my AMP real quick. I'm up 137 now. I wouldn't mind getting that to like $200 on the day. Use Ninja Trader. So I have Ninja Trader. I trade bull knocks with Ninja Trader. I actually got 2 of those accounts. Oh, I think I said that. I got 2 of those accounts over. Actually, I got 2 of those accounts over, and I got a 3rd one waiting in the wings. I might just take this. I'll put a stop in. I locked in gains because my account was down like $500. So I'm at break even. Let's see what happens. I am using Ninja. I just hate waiting over 3 days for my deposit to clear via debit card. Yeah, I never used it. I never, with AMP, you use Plaid. So it's like a direct, it's like an ACH, I guess. I don't know. I mean, I'm not in love with it. I use, I might just take this, to be honest with you. Only because this account would, from Forex to crypto now futures, something about Fridays. Like, Fridays are rough. well, you know what? If I didn't blow these 3 accounts by leaving an order in, my day would be fucking awesome. Like, look at all the greens. This is all from trading today. This is trading today. This is trading today. This is a funded account that I passed a my funded futures account today. And then after I passed it, they gave me this account, and now I'm up in this account 160. I passed a Top Step account today that I needed to get $1,000 on. I passed a lot of fucking accounts. I traded really well outside of just leaving orders in. And it was an amazing day. I just can't believe that messed my whole morning up. Got to brush the kids' teeth, man. That's what happened. I got pulled away from the computer. I left an order in, and I went and brushed teeth, got brushed hair for kids, got their snacks. And because I took the sounds off my NinjaTrader, I don't hear if I got in a trade. So then all of a sudden I come back and I'm like, whoa. And it never goes the other way. It wasn't like I was back and I was up $2,500. Never that way. Always the other way. But yeah, that's where I'm at. But to top it all, I'll be honest with you, the AMP account being up 137 is nice. That's a little extra cashola. I don't know. I feel like things are working out pretty well. Pretty happy with how today did, minus that one mistake. I would take a day like this every day. Freaking be awesome. Boom, 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 boom. Let's open this shiznick up. Open it up to the public. I just gotta copy this. We're gonna bounce it off the 200. I'll risk it for the biscuit, you know. Maybe I can catch a couple shekels. While I set this up. Maybe not. Maybe not. Tight stop. Boom. Boom. Yo, hire a hot nanny. Jeez. Yo, it'd probably been worth it today. Yo, Keith's offering his nanny services. This shit's gonna sell off. Feels silly. Feels heavy. I was hoping we were gonna bounce off the 200 just to like give me some beer money. No, no beer money. No beer money. Oh, what the fuck is that? 27. What orb is that anyways? That is the, oh, that's the 5-minute orb. 5-minute 15. Okay. Awesome. I just got fucking stopped out, and then I would have got my nut. Jeez. Sucks. That sucks. Do I try one more time? I truly believe it's going to go is my issue. My bias is to the upside. That's my problem. But I'm like half sizing it. I'm getting out of this fucking thing. I'm not gonna sit here and just get freaking. I'm setting a limit orders for 780 and then hoping to ride it up to 900. I'm just gonna wait until I probably could find hot night down in Miami. Dude, strictly professional. Yes, Pine Tree. Strictly professional. This looks heavy. This looks head and shoulderish. I had this. I was in right here and I fucking was going to get up. What did I do? Was it here? Oh, I'm going to get fucking stopped again. Come on. Free longs? It's got to dump. It's not going to. Come on. Market just feels fucking heavy. Just feels like it had a couple opportunities to really go today and it just didn't. Have we been chopping all day? Is this an all-day chop? Dude, this is an all-day chop. Look at it. This is the same place we were this morning. We haven't gone anywhere. Ew, this is such a gross day. Such a gross day. A gallon of chocolate milk? Yo, ask him for a glass, bro. Say real bro share. Are you spotting them on the squat machine? On the Smith machine, are you squatting them? I'm getting out of this shit even. Damn, I'm wondering if the ticks. Yeah, nah, as long as we hold. Oh, look at that shit. I'm fucking done with this. I think they're gonna sell it. Oh yeah, you're on one of those high ones where the stairs rotate. You're just out looking. What gym you at? You at like a Planet Fitness, or are you at like a muscle gym, or are you at like a sports club? What are you at? Planet Fitness. Oh, what area are you in? Are you in like Vegas or something? Yo, don't grunt too loud. Oh, you're in Maine, bro? I didn't know you. It's probably freaking cold up there right now. I've been to Portsmouth. Is that by you? Portsmouth, Maine? I was visiting a friend up at the military base. It's on the water. Man, it was probably right before Christmas. It was so freaking cold at night. It was brutal. Dude, this market is just shit. Let's go. Give like a freaking yeah. Damn, 2 hours north. You know what was the problem there? You were getting the wind off the water. I was like, bro, how do you live like this? But he was in the Marines, so it probably wasn't that bad for him. Now he does international private security. That's an interesting job. Dude, near Augusta, you're just, dude, Maine is just up there. Boom, 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 boom. Trying to cook today, man. Tommy Highlighter. That's an awesome name. Golden hours will recover natural gas boiled from minus 12%. Was natural gas down today? I don't honestly know anything about natural gas. Oh, but I know Boyle is the. I'll look at Boyle. Boyle is the pro shares. Yeah. Geez. I'll be honest with you. I don't play pro shares because um, zoom out on pro shares. Like it's meant to go down. You know that, right? Like if you scroll down out, they reverse split this over and over and over and over again. So like if you go back to 2019, the pro shares were like 50,000 and now you're at 45 because they just keep reverse splitting. It's like UVXY. I don't know if he's still here. I was trying to give some insight on what it is. Dude, this is some chop action. Joining the treasure hunt. I'm going to join the old duck race. All right, so I'm just going to buy, and I'm setting my stop right here. Boom. Let's go. Break out of this little flag action we got going on here. Come on.
Come on.
Let's go. Push it. They think I'm getting out of this trade.
I'm not fucking leaving.
What up, Michael? What up? What up? Sitting here waiting for this thing to break out. I mean, you definitely have an inverted head and shoulders here, without a shadow of a doubt. It's just, is it going to play out is a whole nother scenario. Technically, I mean, technically, it should bring it all the way up, up. See what happens. See what happens. Push it. Push it. I am worried that we're oversold on the one. I am worried. I'm just taking that. I'm going to see if we pull back. I'm about taking gains right now. It's Friday and we're getting no freaking push. I'm worried that, I'll be honest with you, I'm worried that we're going to trade back to 36 is what I'm honestly worried about. Oh, this coffee is so good. Well, if you held, awesome. If you followed,
thank you for your vote of confidence.
Palooza options. Up about 2,000. I made a bunch of moves. I'm going to make a whole video on my options channel. But yeah, we up. We're up a lot. Just because Streamlabs put it up. This is what I was talking about before. Now that Apex changed their rules, I think Take Profit Trader has the best rules along with the best pricing because there's no activation fee on the accounts currently. Will they run a better deal for Black Friday? I have no idea, but 40% off, no activation fee is legit. You just use coupon code CoveTrader and they give it to you. It's my bread and butter. Yeah, well, I've been doing it for a very, very long time, Palooza. I've been doing it since some of these furus were sucking on their mama's titties, you know? I'm 41, so you got to think I've been doing stocks in general since 07. some of these kids were probably born in, 2001. So what were they, 6 when I started? And now they're out here photoshopping pictures on Twitter for everybody to follow them. Yeah, having a good week. I think I'm up. I don't know. Let's see what it is. It was 1,500, 2,600. $2,600 plus 1,500. Funded 2. Wow, BKTC. That's awesome, man. Honestly, Andy, I thought you were like 52, maybe. I thought you were in your late 40s, early 50s, is what I thought. I think I'm up about $10,000 this week in options, to be honest with you. I think I had about 10, somewhere around 10 grand this week in options. But what it's about is it's compounding. You make 10,000 and then now you're making a percentage on the percentage. You're not trying to make big gains. You're trying to make, you take a shot when it feels right. Oh, wow. We're going all the way down to here. I sell premium, sell premium, sell premium. And then when I want to take a big shot, I buy premium. He blew all of his accounts today. I don't even know who that is, to be honest with you. Yo, Andy, you should tell him to come on the stream, man. I'm pretty green everywhere. I just feel like they're going to bring this back up only because there's no volume to the downside. There's no volume to the upside. I think they're just trading in a range, and the range is just, we're just range bound. I might get stopped out, but it just kind of feels like there's no big push either way here. So I feel like they brought it down. They're probably going to bring it back up. What up, Corey? What up, Peter? Oh, I just got stopped out. I got my live money account up to 137. I might be done with that because this action sucks. But I'm up 137.50 right now. And I don't think I'm going to trade it anymore. I don't know, unless I get a good setup, but yeah, I left an order in this morning Peter. Ha ha ha. I left an order in this morning and went and brushed my kids' teeth and everything and got them ready for school and didn't even know it. And I came back to three blown accounts. So that's what happens. That is what happens. Honestly, I did it to myself because I told myself I should. Every time I trade pre-market or after hours with my funded accounts, I lose, and I told myself not to do it, and I still did it, and I just, I did it. I left the orders in, and I forget even like if I meant to leave the order. I forget what I don't know if I put the orders in and I thought I'd be back at the desk in like 30 seconds. I forget. All of a sudden, I just got back like 45 minutes later and they were just gone. Yeah. A nice little move. I mean, it doesn't look very strong. Like, it doesn't look very strong. I would almost be looking to take this south at some point. I'm not going to short it right now, but I am. It's not great action, but but Peter, the good news is I passed 2 Apex accounts today, 2 Bullnox accounts today, a My Funded Futures account today, and a Top Step account today. So I passed 6 accounts today. And then on top of that, after I passed, I got my over $100 done in My Funded Futures for the day. So I revenge traded hardcore in the morning to pass all the accounts to give me 6 more funded. So I might chill out on evals for a little bit, only because I always have like 1 or 2 evals because sometimes I just want to not trade a I'll just, yo, what up, Trung? Yo, let me know if you get paid. Are you in their Telegram group? Because I heard some things, and that's why I pulled my coupon code off the. So I had accounts with them. And I pulled their things off my description of the video and off the streamer because I heard some things. And let me know if you get paid. That was yeah, I heard that people were getting partial payouts, late payouts, and some other stuff. I'm just trying to scalp a little bit. It's probably going to go lower, to be honest with you. Yeah, that's just what I heard, man. So you know what? Just keep me updated. So why I'm not playing size right now. Volume is low. The price action is not great. I like it better than the short side, but 800 is right here. The wick is right here. Like there's a lot of support. So I'm not going to put on full size when there's not much meat on the bone. I'm just looking for some quick scalps until like a real setup happens. Yeah, Slade said he got paid also, but then I saw in the Telegram group. So I don't ever want to tell people to go use somewhere where there's some delayed payouts. So that's why I pulled it off my stream and everything. I still have the stuff, but I want to make sure they're doing what they should be doing before I threw it back out there. I don't, you don't want to be associated with it if they're not doing the right thing, but so that's all. Yo, what up, Lee? What up? Waiting for a legit setup here. I think we're going to go lower, but there's just not that much meat on the bone currently where I think there's support. So I'm just kind of watching. No, the CEO actually talked about partial payments and everything in the Telegram group. It was partial. Also, what's weird is like they have a straight to paid, but you only get 50% of the profits. Kind of weird. I don't know. I don't use them currently. I got too many accounts. Boom. Just waiting for a decent setup. See, we're at this has just been like a rangy day. This is all we did all day. Oh, you know what today is? Isn't the fourth Friday? Isn't it OPEX today? Yo, I think it's OPEX today, right? I'm almost positive. No, it's not. No. That was last Friday, third Friday in the month. Yeah, OPEX was last week, third Friday of the month. You know why I thought it was today? Usually it's how the month is situated. Friday the 1st, the 1st was on a Friday, but we're at the 22nd. So OPEX was on the 15th, which is early. Usually it's later than the 15th. What up, Mula? Someone told me today and I believe them. Yeah, that's why you always got to look at That's why you always got to look at your own, your own stuff. Bro, see the low of 1201? Yeah, at 800, I guess, 800. I mean, we might go down to 800, but that's 7 points down. That's not that much meat on the bone for a trade, because this can rip back up 30 points. The risk reward just isn't there for me. Always do your own research. There's only a few people that I'll take their word for it. But for the most part, I'll at least check. At least I'll put 5 minutes of due diligence in something. What up, Mohammed? Yeah, usually I give at least a little due diligence before I start doing stuff, you know? Oh my God, this thing just fucking triggered on me. Is this gonna plummet? I don't like this that much. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do here? Yeah, I just got. Joe, you know what I realized I didn't have on my chart? All the fair value gaps. I was wondering where they were. I mean, we're right at the VWAP. The VWAP is right here, so it's going to be a tough sell to get under the VWAP. I think there's more downside than upside. Oh, fuck. Hims went over $25. I'm going to get my shares pulled away from me. That sucks. That sucks. I just bought direct to funded with TickTick. I actually like their platform, Project X. Yeah. I'm trying to make a decision on something real quick. I think I want to continue owning Hims. I was gonna let the options expire. I have covered calls, and I was gonna let them expire, but I'm gonna roll them till next week. That's what I'm gonna do. Project X is the same as Top Stack platform. I have no idea, actually. Their rules and payout plan better than Tradeify, and now they have Tradeivate. So here's my only problem. What up, Comfy Trader? Here's my only problem with TickTick Trader. How much did it cost you for a funded account? And what size did you get? I think it's like $400, right? I mean, you could pass a my funded futures account and pay half the amount of money for a funded account. I think people aren't looking at the cost of funded accounts. Yeah, so you paid $377, right? So in theory, we'll just do the math. I'll bring up the old calculator app. So 377 divided by, if I buy my funded futures, if you pass 1 in 5 with my funded futures, you'll save a little bit of money. If you pass 1 in 3 with Take Profit Trader, you'll save yourself $77. If you pass 1 in 4 with my funded futures, you'll save yourself about $80. So your pass rate has to be like what you're passing 1 out of every 5 accounts to make that your cost of your cost of a funded account. Do you guys understand what I'm talking about when I say cost of funded accounts? Yeah, so when you pass an eval, you get a funded account. You could pay to skip the evals and just get a funded account, but you pay a lot more. And usually the rules are not as good because the rules on one of the straight to funded accounts, the consistency rule is 20% for the most part. While on Bullnox or Apex, it's 30 or 40%, or on Take Profit Trader, there is no consistency rule. So today's a bad example, but like if you go back to yesterday, there is no activation fee at my funded futures. And there's no activation fee on Take Profit Trader either. But so we opened yesterday. If you happen to go short with Take Profit Trader, you'd have gotten 250 points, or just say you got 150 points and you had 2 minis. I mean, you would have made thousands and thousands of dollars and just took it all out the same day, because you can do same day withdrawals at Take Profit Trader. I'm just trying to save you guys money. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to open up everybody's eyes, especially new people that don't understand. I'm just trying to give everybody all of the information. Yeah, time is money. I get it, Ed, without a doubt. It's one of those things. But like today, I passed 6 accounts. My pass rate today, I passed 2 Apexes, so that's 2 out of 4. I passed 1 of 1 on Volumetric and 1 of 1 on Top Step, and I think I passed 2 of 4 on Bullnox. So I passed 6 accounts out of 10. So it doesn't pay for me to buy a straight to funded account. I can just, one day of trading can just slam it. I just want to give everybody the information, because everybody sees the shiny ball. Oh, it's straight to funded. I just want people to realize that you are paying extra to be straight to funded. That's all. And the majority of people probably should not be buying $377 accounts in here, because if you can't pass a normal account, you're probably not going to pass the other one, and it's going to cost you 10 times the amount of money. And that's, you should have a high pass rate already. You should have a high pass rate before spending that type of money on an account, because your rate of passing is not going to become better with a funded account. So if and that's all. I'm just take it for what it's worth. I'm just giving you both sides of it. I trade a live account with my own real money, so I bypass. Like, if you're going to pay $400 for an account, why don't you just throw $400 in an AMP futures account, and then you have no rules? You could throw $400 in an AMP futures account, and that's it. And just ride that. If you blow 3 straight to funded accounts, you'd have $1,000. You probably should have put the $1,000 into a real AMP futures account, or a real Ninja Trader account, or a real Tradeovate account, if you're going to spend that much money per account. If not, the reason people use prop firms is because you can get in there for a small amount of money. But that's all. I've said my piece. I just want all the information to be out there. I think it makes sense straight to funded if you are a quality trader. I think new people should not get sucked into it. That's all. Yeah, Alfred, it does. I just I'm not trying to down anybody. I don't want anybody to think I'm downing them for buying those accounts, because I'm not. I think if you're ready for those accounts, you should buy them. That's all. If you're ready for them and you're a profitable trader, I get why you should go and use those accounts. But if you're new, you shouldn't be anywhere near those accounts. But that's all. I'm off the soapbox for that. What do you mean, you people? Dude, what movie is that? Dude, is that the one with, oh, dude, the guy from, oh man, I can picture it. It's Eddie Murphy and, what do you call it? I'm ready for Coe's prop firm. Dude, I would be awesome at running one, man. Oh, it's Tropic Thunder? Dude, I haven't seen Tropic Thunder in freaking years. I wanted to rewatch it. That's what got Fast Track in so much trouble, was they were not restrictive on their straight to funded accounts. And that's what got them in trouble. The fact that you could have, I don't know, 40 fucking accounts or whatever it was. What up, Kid Poker? Yeah, that's all, man. I'm just throwing it out there. Yeah, Jonah Hill and Eddie Murphy. Yo, that movie, I watched that. That's pretty funny. It was like one of those where you're doing nothing, you just throw it on Netflix. Come on. Oh. We get over 32. 32 is the number. You'll probably algo candle up. It'll probably hit my sell. Now he's counting cash in his hedge fund. Bro, that's the craziest. You can't even make it up. I will not rug pull your money. Hold on. Bro, I got to load this up on the computer. What the fuck was that? Dude, what the fuck was that? What was that? Yo, it just went down. It just dropped 30 points. I'm glad I don't use stops. Dude. I got to get this audio on. Hold on one second. Hello? Bro, my oil company just tried billing me like $400 extra. Dude, what was that? Now we're fucking going. Now we're going up, just like I thought. Yo, this price action is. Dude, what the fuck was that? Taking that. Hold on, I gotta open up the door real quick. Dude. So this is the deal. This is what happened. I was going to leave them because my contract was up. And last week they're like, "Oh, well, your rate's going to go down to $3.49 a gallon." So I said, "Cool, okay. I want gas next week, oil next week." They come, they do the oil, and now they want to charge me my old rate. And they said, "Oh, the new rate actually doesn't come into play until December 1st." I was like, "Then I wouldn't have re-upped with you, and I would have just went to the other fucking company." Crazy. Just another day. Dude, that was crazy. So oil spiked real quick. Is that what somebody said? Oil just spiked or dropped? Crude shot up? Interesting. So I'm just looking at so Tidewater is a petroleum company. Dude, freaking looks like it's ready to find a bottom right here. Does this yo, I can't believe I got stopped out right here. I lost $260. Why really it should have been a profit. That's crazy. Shot up and then dropped. That's shady. That's as shady as it gets. That's some algos. Somebody hit the somebody fat fingered something. Here you go. Here you go. I bet you get a fucking drop here. Come on. Get low like Little John, baby. Take a quick 70 smackers. I bet you it continues lower. I'm just, when your accounts are down, when you have an account that's down that much, you're just taking $70, $70, $70 just to chip away until you could take. Oh, Tidewater. It's TDW is the stock symbol. Yeah, I'm at 349. I have more than 150 gallons. You're not, what state are you in, Ivan? Just wondering. Some people don't even know what oil is. There's like either gas. A lot of people have natural gas. Ah, you're over in Pennsylvania? dude, I still can't believe I got fucked on this. Like, really? Really? 30-point drop? I wish I had an order down here. I should just start leaving orders by the VWAP. Yo, what up, John? Damn, Daniel Jones is out. The Giants released Daniel Jones. Oh, oil company is back. Yo, they just credited my account now. Dude. Fucking scammers. Schemers and scammers. I don't think there's much volume either way, poker. If you look, like, there's no real push either way. Like, even this drop looks big, but what is this drop? 50? It's really 50 points. We've gone nowhere today. Yeah, I mean, this is why, you can't force it. You just gotta say, hey, like, you pick your spots. You pick your spots, and that's it. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, did you see a guy that some guy posted on Twitter that said he received a bunch of Apex emails? Did you guys see this stuff? I'm going to show you something that's real interesting. Whether this guy is for reals or not for reals, I'm going to show you something that's pretty I don't know who Peter Brandt actually is, but I guess he's been around for a while and he's got a lot of followers. Said Apex is scrambling. I've received no fewer than 10 desperate emails from Apex's minions in the last days scrambling to catch up to things. It's my hope and should be yours that Apex goes ahead. That's interesting. Obviously, if you want to follow me on Twitter, here's my Twitter. I'm on Twitter all the time now. But yeah, I thought that was real interesting. I don't know if it's real, but he's got 750,000 followers, so I don't think he should be saying anything if it wasn't real. I don't think you're going to get a dump. Last 15 minutes here, I would say just don't do anything stupid. What up, Sergio? Let me make sure I'm in. I don't know if I'm in. If I put myself in or not. Yeah, well, I'll duck race today. It's Friday. We do it every Friday. Every Friday we duck race. It's a good way to go on the weekend. Yo, anybody make some good drinks after work? You guys make drinks or anything like that? Thinking about making a good old drink after I don't know what I'm gonna make though. Might have after hours with Cove. A mojito. Only beer, 30 here. I'll be honest with you, I'm out for beers. I'll drink beer when I'm out or at a barbecue or something, but like after work, man, like I want like a real like craft cocktail that I make. A bougie ass cocktail. I don't know what it's gonna be. Just flipped a fair value gap. We might just go on a roll here. Buffalo Trace with a splash of Coke. Bro, Ray, I used to brew my own beer too, bro. I used a 5-gallon carboy. So I'd make 5 gallons at a clip. This is risky as fuck. This is as risky as it gets. There, I'm just scalping. Yeah, so I did wheat beer. I've done some other beers, and then obviously you put I've done some flavored after you brew it, you can add the flavoring right before you cork the bottles. I did everything from like blueberry beer to everything. Distilling would be pretty cool. Old fashioned, yeah. I like a play on old fashioned. Like I'll do like maybe like an orange, like more orangey, or like I want to get one of those things that you could smoke the board up and you freaking kind of smoke it. I don't know. I want to do like every Friday after work, just do like a real like cool craft cocktail. What up, Nightcore? Who's that? Mobile? Mobile? What up, Mobile? I'm guessing first timer on the chat. Oh, dude, we're about to get an algo candle one way or another. You got 40 seconds to get a algo candle. Dude, who's up for going to the weekend with both? I think we're going to go up. Oh, dude, I don't want to take this in my funded account. If I had to guess, it was up. I'm not doing it. Fine. You'll get me with 3, okay? I'll do 3. Oh my God. Oh my God. I just bought 3 minis. Holy shit. I thought I was in micros. Oh, and I would have got smoked. Oh, I just got out of that. Oh, so glad I didn't do that. Watch them flip mode it. Watch them. Watch them just push this shit like gangster style. What do you think? Imagine they push it to 49. Oh, the juice is loose. I'm ready to hit this fucking button, by the way. I'm just moving my stop up. The juice is loose. Okay. That was pretty good. What was that? 70 bucks? Damn, 800 bucks, Ray? Dude. That's a nice hit. That's risky as shit, though. That's a risky trade, my man. Got to risk it for the biscuit. The juice is dead. I mean, I feel like anything I take from here on out is risky. I just want to make sure I'm not in anything. Yo, DGen. Poker, you had your chance on this big ass algo candle to the downside. That was like, I don't even know what that was. We're just not going anywhere. Like, it looks like we're going up, but when you zoom out, this is what the day looked like. It was just up and down. It was just one day of chop. Man, I'm just looking at this stuff. This is just looking at some of the things that are going to roll off. I'll have a lot more buying power. No guts, no glory. Jeez. Big leg, Mula? Yo, this is, if you look, Mula, this is a huge third leg. Big third leg. You got the one leg, the two, and then the big third leg that goes up. If we stay up for 4 hours or more, you should go see somebody. Yeah, that's a. Oh, Mula, you're trading again. I thought you said you had. What account you at? Where'd you go with? Bullnox? Apex? Dude, this thing just ripped it. Oh, shit. That was another algo. Dude, I wish I didn't sell. I got out at 40. We're up 25 points. I would have got all my money back. Do I dare take a shot? I'm not. I'm not getting in front of this train. I am not doing it. Ah. Free cash flying in all over the place. Watch. The second I jump in on this shit, it dumps. Always happens. I thought I was riding the trend, guys. I thought I was riding the trend. The trend is not my friend. The trend is never my friend. It'll go up all day. As soon as I buy, it comes down. Always happens. I don't know the last time I bought and rode the trend, and the trend just was my friend. Bro, I need another candle to go above 58 and push up. New candle in 8 seconds. I need a new candle, and then we push over 58. Come on. Please. Please. Oh, get over. Get over. Dude, I'm just glad I got my fucking money back. I'm glad I broke even. Yo, dude. Oh, I'm so glad I just got my money back. I'm glad some of my freaking puts roll off. Kind of lighten the lighten my responsibility, I guess. Man, this is flagging right here. Am I going to take this real quick? Oh shit, 65 quick bucks. Yeah, boy, roll the dice. Boom. Oh. Quick degen trade to end. I got it under 500. That was all I wanted to do. Damn, Enrique. Yo, save some points for everybody else. Wow. Somebody just got destroyed. Somebody just got absolute. Dude, that was just 20 points. Damn. Damn. All right. It's Friday. I'm going to give you guys 5 minutes to join the duck race. I'm going to go fill my water, and then we're going to run this. So I know it's Friday and people want to go do shit. Mula, is that a red rocket? All right. I'll be right back filling up my water, and then we're going to run this. 4:05. We can't. You got till to join. No, there's no heat on the floor. You got the normal.
Where coming the heat?
Right there on the bottom. But then from here over.
This is cold?
Yeah, cold only. Yeah. And then this is, and then under there comes on the floor. What up, gangsters? Yo. State your name, gangster. Oh man, I bought something and I am selling it after hours. Fuck. This is a quick $100. Hell yeah. Boom. Get that money off the books, baby. Get out of my account, lock it in. Dude, this is some crazy freaking candles here after hours. Jeez. Free! I love it, Mula. Turkey leg money. You got 2 minutes to join the duck race. If you guys got questions about anything, options, whatever, over the weekend, it's a great time to ask because I got extra free time. Yo, is Trapped Trader on Discord in the stream right now? Yeah, I do lives in the morning now also. What up, Adam? What's a duck race? We raise ducks, and the winner gets a free account. Duck race. Duck race. Yo, is Trapped Trader in the chat? He asked about, Trapped Trader asked in the Discord about the trailing drawdown rule in Take Profit Trader. And it is different if you move to the pro account. Basically, in the eval, it's end of day. So at the end of the day, your drawdown is set. And once you go pro, it's intraday. So basically, as you move up in the middle of the day, your drawdown moves up with it. It doesn't set end of day. Yo, Tennessee Rob in the house. What up, Nate? All right, we're going to run this. Dude, we crushed it today, by the way. I can't believe I left orders in. I can't believe I left orders in and fucking left. Bullnox is absolutely crushed it today. All right, let me get this thing going. Boom, 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 boom. Who's going to win the free account today? Guys, if you're new, we do duck races for free accounts on Monday, Friday, and then sometimes on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Depends on what's going on. But we do them a lot. So also, I'm setting up this duck race. Duck races are brought to you by the coupon code Cove Trader. If you want to support the channel, you're going to buy an account anyways. Use the best coupon code Cove Trader. It's in the description of the video. It's pretty easy to spell. It's the name of the channel. It's Cove Trader. And it'll automatically give you the best discounts on Take Profit Trader, Apex, My Funded Futures, and actually works with Tick Tick Trader. I think it works with Blue Sky, works with all of them. But that's what allows duck races. I just cracked my back. Jeez. Boom. We duck racing. Wait, geez, I'm trying to get my Yo! Let's go! Come on. I don't know where my duck's at. Where my duck at? Where my duck at? Boom, boom, boom. Yo, the Trump duck. Eminem's got the Trump duck. By the way, if you win, you have 2 minutes to claim. 2 minutes. If you're not in the room and you don't claim it, we rerun it and somebody else wins. That happened yesterday, actually. Boom. Let's go. There I am. I'm right there in the middle. I've never won yet. I have never won yet. Come on. My duck's dragging ass. Let's go. Quack, quack. Let's go. Come on, quack, quack. Where?
700 billion and $1,300,000,000,000,000,000.
Let's go.
China.
Quack, quack. Almost there. This is the big push. Who's got it? Yo, the Trump duck is moving up. Eminem. Eminem. This is going to be the first Trump duck. Oh, he's never won yet. Palooza.
Billions and billions
We got
and
2 minutes.
and billions and
412.
billions and billions and
Yo, trap trader, bro. Did you hear me talk about take profit trader or not? Palooza has 2 minutes. Trap trader, the take profit trader drawdown. In when you have an eval. Oh, so you heard it already, right? Yeah. So when you have an eval, it's end of day, and when you move to pro, it's intraday. And after you take out $5,000, you go to pro. You could go to pro plus. And after $20,000, they make you go to pro plus. I am here. Shoot me an email. There's my email. This is rigged.
the system is totally rigged.
Dude, my duck hasn't won yet. My duck just...
Dude, I almost had you.
You almost had me. You never had me. You never had your car.
Dude, we do these a lot. Almost every other day we do these duck races. So hopefully, if you didn't win, hopefully you can win on Monday. Monday we'll do it. Always Monday and Friday. I like to start the week off with it. I like to end the week off with it. And then in between, if we're doing well, obviously I like to throw it out there and give back, man. You know, hopefully I want people that need the account to win it, to kind of give back. If you know, some people are having a rough day trading and then they win the free account, and it kind of makes, you know, the day a little bit better, you know? That's all. If you guys got questions about trading, options, futures, prop firms, ask over the weekend. I got time to answer anybody in the Discord. You know, feel free to ask. I'm on, definitely on there. Yo, Ed, all good, Ed. Have a good weekend. Definitely have a good weekend. That's my Twitter if you want to follow for, I don't know, all the crazy stuff I'll throw up or whatever. When do you give away my funded futures accounts? Those are the best. I don't know. Actually, I gave away 6 of those already. We did the Twitter giveaway, which I gave away 3 of them. And then we did another giveaway where I gave away 3. I gave away 6 of those accounts already. Them shits are expensive. Those are $75 accounts with the coupon. That's yeah, that's up there. Boom, 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 boom. But yeah. Oh man. Dude, today was wild, man. I got so many. I got to activate so many accounts over the freaking weekend. I'm trying to think. I got to activate. Actually, Bullnox doesn't activate. Bullnox, I think I need to flip contracts for like 2 or 3 more days. My funded futures flipped. I got to activate Top Step, and I got to activate my Apex over the weekend. It was crazy. The best price action was literally at the end of the day. So Tennessee Rob, being that you're new, what happens is as you're on the chat, Streamlabs automatically gives you points. As you're here, and then people gamble and win more points on top of what is given to them. I think it gives you points every couple minutes. Whoever's in the chat gets points. That's how it works. We did it because we had people signing up for the duck race with like 5 different accounts. And when they would bring on a new account, it wasn't fair to have somebody sign in 5 accounts. So what we did was we did this point system that new accounts have to be on the stream for a little bit before they can enter the duck race, because the duck race is 10 points, which 10 points will get you there super simple. But if you just sign in an extra account, come on the stream and submit for the duck race, you'll have 0 points. So it stops, kind of stops those extra accounts from signing up to give everybody a fair shot to get a free account. That's all. Try to keep it. What up, Ace? Ace Double D. Good set of double Ds. Oh man, this fucking week was awesome. This week was awesome. This is how I finished in options land today. Another $2,100. I think we made over 10 G's this week if you follow my options channel. Yeah, you should have it. If you do exclamation point points, it'll tell you how many you got, and then you just gamble. You gamble the amount of points you got. Do gamble, and then whatever it gives you, like gamble, maybe 2 or whatever it is. They give points super quick, but if you just came on the stream for the first time within like the last couple minutes, but yeah. Oh, it's like Ace. You can gamble 4 points, and then if you gamble 4 points, it'll probably double you. Like, do gamble 4 points, Ace, and then if you win, you'll have 8. Damn, yo, I was looking at SMCI. They, I trade Top Step? I have one Top Step account. I just passed today, and I'll have a funded account on Monday. Dude, I do no ads, man. The whole channel, if you guys notice, you'll be on here, you never leave for an ad. Who wants to fucking leave for an ad? Yeah, I heard about that, Ace. I don't like Top Step that much, to be honest with you. It's expensive. It's more expensive than the other accounts. what happened was I was rebuild a random account. So that's why I had it. That's the only reason I had it was I was rebuild. I'm not out there buying Top Step accounts, believe me. Yeah, I use my own fund. I have AMP. Who do you use for your funded futures account? The personal one. I use AMP futures. Yeah, I don't sit and praise ICT. I mean, some of their concepts are really good. Obviously I use some of the concepts, but I don't think that they're their concepts. I think, but I just trade my own thing. But yeah, I don't hide my trades. Everything's out in the open, man. You'll see like all my accounts are out in the open. I left trades in today. That's how I blew these accounts. I left orders in and got filled, and I wasn't even in front of the computer. Other than that, this is the only account. This sucks. And then I took a big shot. This is just an eval. But yeah, everything's out in the open, man. And then even my options account, you'll see it's out in the open. If I get smoked for $2,000, I put it out there for you to see. Like it's nothing's hidden here. Yeah, AMP, Ninja, TradeStation. TradeStation's the OG, man. I remember people using TradeStation way back in the day. Yeah, I got myself Ninja Trader. I trade Bullnox on there, and then I have Apex linked up to copy trade. That's how I got fucked right there. But I trade mostly Bullnox on there. Bro, people hiding their trades and stuff is so ridiculous to me. Damn, yo, Rob, that's nice, man. Here, Rob, you're up 707. Who knew that you'd come in the room today and you'd get the clap? Nothing like getting the clap on day one. I used to have toss, but futures are very expensive. Yeah, that's I used to trade with E-Trade. I have a futures account with E-Trade, and I got rid of them. I have the account, but I don't trade futures with them anymore. Yeah, so you can't copy trade. I don't even know how they know. I don't know how they would even know, but I don't know how they would know. But I don't. I trade my own thing. But that's not saying that you can't, like, argument's sake, say I click the button buy here and then like turn over and buy over here. Like nobody would know. Nobody would know if I buy and then I go over and click and then click, buy here. Like so I think they don't want you using like this. So I have Replicanto. So they don't want you using this with a bunch of, they don't want you doing like, like turning them all on and then they all get traded at the same time. They might know this company, Flowbots, might be passing them data. That's the only way that I would know is like, why not take one more freaking degen trade of the day? I mean, right? Do you feel safe and good with AMP? Yeah, AMP is like a brokerage. Yeah, it's. I don't know. That's the only way that's the only way they would know is if they were passing data, right? If they weren't passing data, how would Bullnox know? That's the only way that I could see that they would know. This does look like a nice flag. Like if this was during the day, you would think you'd get a push up to like 72 or something. But yeah, AMP is like a regulated broker. Free. Yo, if you're paying for it, it's free. But yeah, I like AMP. I don't know if I'm going to stay with AMP. I might just use like a NinjaTrader account or TradeOvate account. I don't really know. I used AMP because I got a free version of Quant Tower. I don't know if I'm going to stay with it. I don't know what I'm doing. Dude, that was just a little... Dude, I'm just playing around. This does look really good, though. If this was regular trading hours, I would have slammed that. But listen, I just made a little beer money. We need to close at 900. But yeah, it's freaking... I don't know how they would know if you're doing that, though. So we shall see. Nah. I want to make a drink. What's the best platform to use for AMP? I think it could sync with NinjaTrader, Quant Tower, Motive Wave. It syncs with most of them. I use, yeah, I'll just show you. I use them. I don't know if I'm going to keep them. I don't know. I don't really know. I like it, but so people that are on Sierra charts love Sierra charts, but I heard it's like very 2008-ish. Like it's primitive and you got to like work it to get it to work. I think that was Sierra. The one thing I like about this is you can copy trade all the firms at once. It's a secret plan to convert everybody into live trade. Yeah, I heard Sierra was very hard to learn. Yeah, Andy. I'm not into learning. I'm into just you know, I like the opening range that I could have on here. I think it's clean. The commissions, I gotta look how much commissions are. I gotta look how much commissions are. It's all about commissions. But I made 137 bucks today. So I only made 2 trades, 137 bucks. So it's real money. And it's nice because I made, you know, you want to build that up. Oh man, lucky I got out. I'd have been so pissed on Friday. But yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much it. I am freaking shot. I'm going to go make myself a drink. Guys, if you're getting accounts and you want to support the channel, use the coupon code CoveTrader. If you have questions, go in the Discord and ask me. I will make you a personalized video. If it's hard to understand, I'll just make a video for you, because if you have a question about it, I'm sure somebody else does. So I'll just make a video and show you. I usually say ask on the stream because I can just show you on my screen. I'm here to help. I don't charge for any of it. Everything we do here is free. The Discord's free. The trading is free. The help is free. Yeah, the multiple fills. Yeah, same thing happens on AMP. Sometimes they'll split it like 4 and 1. It's weird. But yeah, it's all free. If you got questions, I'll help you out. That's pretty much it. Anybody that's new, we stream twice a day, 10:30 in the morning till about noon, and again 2 p.m. till about 4:30. So enjoy the weekend. Go have fun with your family, your friends. Just enjoy it. All right. I'll see you guys back on Monday. All right. Peace.